Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making spaghetti and meat sauce. You will need 1 pound of ground beef, 1 box of spaghetti, 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, 1 15-ounce can of tomato sauce, 1 15-ounce can of drained diced tomatoes, 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste, 1 onion, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 3 teaspoons of oregano, 2 teaspoons of basil, 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 3 teaspoons of salt. Bring a pot of water to a boil, then add 1 teaspoon of salt and your pasta. Allow your pasta to cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove your pasta from the heat, rinse with cold water, then set it aside until later. Using medium heat, bring your pan to temperature, then add your ground beef. Now add the onion and garlic and cook until your ground beef has browned. Now drain off the excess fat from your beef. Season with the salt, pepper, and garlic powder and mix well. Add your crushed tomatoes and tomato sauce and mix well. Now add the tomato paste and diced tomatoes, then mix until well incorporated. Now season with the basil, oregano, and red pepper flakes. Now add your bay leaves and mix until well incorporated. Now bring your sauce to a light simmer and reduce your heat. Cover and allow it to cook for 1 hour, stirring frequently. After 1 hour, it is ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. And so for cooking class, you will learn to grab